Here's the entrance for the hotel. And you can see there's like a bar over there. Here you can see there's like a bar over here. It's a very beautiful hotel. As you can see, guys, this is a quick room tour. And you can see you've got this really nice LG TV here. You've got a chair there and you've got beds. And the TV is actually very, very big. And moving on, you can see over here, there's open this up. There's an ironing board and a iron in there. So that's useful if you want to iron your uniform, just in case you want to be smart. And moving on, you can see in here that you have the bathroom, and you see you've got a really good shower there and a clean toilet. And you can see that you've got a mirror there just in case you need it, and you've got one here, so you see I'm recording. Hello. And guys, one more thing, you can see through this kind of window thing, you can see you've got a very decent view. And yeah, that's pretty much the hotel room sorted. And guys, you can see over there, you've got a really nice view of a mountain type thing. And I'm going to go show you the corridors real quickly. So here's the corridors. You can see it's got a nice layout with a nice carpet as well. And you can see that the rooms have nice big numbers on them, so you can see your correct room very easily. Guys, as you can see, there's a better view up here. This is really, really stunning. You can see there's like a lake type thing down there. As you can see, there's a very nice view as well of Oslo. And the view, it looks pretty stunning in real life. I don't know if it looks as good on camera, but yeah, we're quite high up. You've got weights over here. I believe you've got some running machines over here as well. And you see very, very high tech, it's very nice. And you've even got some bikes over here as well. And you've got something over here. I'm not sure what it's called, I'm very sorry about that. And yeah, this gym looks pretty cool. Let's get to the swimming pool now.